That's good. Domenico. Very funny. Okay, here's my second question.
Ghost.
What do you see as being your purpose at Gucci? I find it very interesting that you have such a strong connection to that which is not yours.
Check my bank account and see dead people. I pull Milagro on your grave. Bombs away, who let the lion out the cage? Feel like a giant on the stage. Bang it on whoever, Kobe Bryant with the gauge. Gucci goes 3, nigga, prepare to be amazed. When it's my time to die, I'ma go out in a blaze. Like the end of Scarface, Desperado style. Big guns in the guitar case. Slow the whip down past the clock to my shooter. You catching bullets in the field like Bianca Batuka. Everybody get smoked, turn your block to a hookah. My little Arab nigga just copped a bazooka. Leave your wig red as Mario Judah. Crash your hard drive, unplug the computer. Not even Geek Squad can reboot him.
That's good.
Gucci Ghost.
I can't catch a rapper in the cut like a band-aid. The push is heading to a motherfucking family. Chop it up, chop it up, Like I give a fuck. Catch a rapper in the cut like a band-aid. The push is heading to a motherfucking family.
I got the drop on these niggas, is you riding or what? Single file style when we lining you up. Coming tonight. That's 1 Mac, 2 Tech 9s in a pump. On my Jackie Brown shit, I make you ride in the trunk. It's no biggie, baby. You can hide if you want. I live for the funk. You can die with the fuck.
Chop it up.
Quiet weapons for silent wars. Twin binary triggers, bullets flying fours. My whole team shooting like the Final Four. And if you live, we coming right back like spinal cords. I wouldn't dare buy my bitch Michael Kors. Before you toss the blick, don't forget to wipe it off.
Chop it up.
Computer thugs, niggas be Microsoft. I'm the monster running your bed when the lights go off. 2 pipes smoking like a dual exhaust.
Is that what we're doing here?
Chop it up. Chop it up. Chop it up. I can't catch a rapper in the cut like a band-aid. The push is heading to a motherfucking family. Chop it up. Chop it up. Like I give a fuck. Catch a rapper in the cut like a band-aid. The push is heading to a motherfucking family. Chop it up.
Do you want to be left in the dust? Want to keep selling coffee mugs in airports? Is that your legacy? It's time to take out the trash. Aldo and Paolo, they're poison. They're an embarrassment to this company, and everybody knows
I can't catch a rapper in the cut like a band-aid. The push is heading
and you need to get your business organized.
Like I give a fuck. Catch a rapper in the cut like a band-aid. The push is heading to a motherfucking family.
You're my family.
So am I.
It's the umbrella boot.